Hi, I'm Jen from Plus One Craft, and I am making a simple, elegant holiday card today. I'll be using the 3x5 gel press plate and showing you a cool technique using ink pads in winter blue colors. As you can see, my 3x5 plate is well loved and well used. I love the gel press because it's an easy way to add texture to a simple card without adding bulk. If you're making a bunch of holiday cards to mail, you can save money without sacrificing beauty. You don't have all those heavy embellishments. Let me show you the technique we're going to use. I'm going to use the Distress Ink Minis in two colors, Stormy Sky and Broken China. The minis are what I had on hand. You can certainly use the regular size Distress ink or other ink pads in appropriate colors. And now this piece is going to go on top. I did a rounded corner on my card here and on my sentiment, and I think I'm going to round the corner of this piece too. So I think that will look pretty. I think those small details like that end up making for a nicer final card. You know, those little details where you see the same kind of shape or curve or theme picked up in multiple parts of the card. So that's going to go right there. I really love about the gel press background here is that it serves as, it's kind of a, you know, almost a sky, like a winter stormy sky. It really adds some interest and texture to the card without overwhelming it or being too heavy. And especially, you know, there's so many holiday cards that you receive that are beautiful but super complicated, and I really think this one's just simple and elegant. I like the kind of the monochrome color scheme, the plain white tree, the silver. And there you go. That's the finished card. So I hope you enjoyed watching today. And again, I'm Jen from Plus One Craft. And have fun with your gel press, and don't forget to create every day.